you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up a brand new subscription to our channel. It's called Your Bijoux Box. And this is actually a jewelry subscription. So I will tell you guys a little bit more about it since it's new to me and maybe new to you as well, and then we will get to unboxing. But before we do that, just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I do subscription unboxings every single day here in our channel. So if you love subscription boxes, I would absolutely love it if you joined and subscribed. That would mean so much to me. But yeah, back to the box. So Your Bijoux Box. I hope I'm saying that right. Your Bijoux Box. I'm gonna look it up. Your Bijoux Box. Is that how you say it?
Bijoux.
Bijoux Box. I apologize if I'm saying this wrong. I should have looked that up earlier. But so yeah, this box is a jewelry subscription, and it says with every box you get 3 pieces of jewelry and a fun bonus lifestyle item. And it's a customized box, so you get to select either if you want no earrings and or silver only, and everyone usually gets the same pieces from a curated collection. They also have a Facebook group, so you can vote on possible jewelry to get in upcoming boxes. The cost is $39.99 a month plus free US shipping, and it also ships to Canada. So I will leave a link down below if you are interested. Anyways, let's get this open and see what's inside. When I open it up, this is what it looks like. Oh, how fun. It says, dream big, sparkle more, shine bright. And I see we have several jewelry pieces here, and then something in like this little box. Ooh, just brought all the squigglies up. I swear, when I film a lot in one day, these little things are everywhere. But they do help with packing and things coming without being broken. So yeah, wow, it looks like we have a lot of jewelry here, so let's get started. It looks like I see something like turquoise, and that's like one of my favorites. Oh yeah, so we have a set of bracelets here. So here's the first one. These two are connected. I absolutely love the turquoise beads, and especially like the turquoise with gold. I think this is really pretty. I just need to tighten it. Oh, I love it. It's one of those tightening things where you just like pull the strings. That makes it so much easier, especially if you're alone like me. I make that seem so sad and pathetic. And then there's 2 more bracelets here. I think these are all so pretty. So you can kind of see them all together. I think layering bracelets is so pretty. So the owner did send me information on all of the items. So this must be the semi-precious summer stack, and it says, I'm taking the planning out of your arm stack. Throw on this pre-designed stack and go. Adjustable and in semi-precious jadeite, turquoise, or howlite. So fun with yellows, greens, or blues. Oh my God, I'm so happy with the colors I was sent. I think these pair so well together. I think she did a great job. Now let's move on to the next item. Looks like this is a necklace. And the necklace is a variation item. So you could have gotten the Charlotte Sun Disc necklace by 5 and 2 or Petite Cadeau sets by Violet and Brooks, watermelon or lemons. So I think I received, yeah, I did receive the first one. Oh wow, and this is a retail value of $63. All right, let me get this out so I can show you. There's suspense, right? Man, this is so pretty. So it says, up your layering game with this sweet sun disc and crystal charm necklace. And again, it says it has a retail value of $63. And they say with this subscription, you get up to $250 worth of items. Let's see if I can get this on myself. Oh my God, I love when I get a necklace on with one try. Oh yeah. Little things. Did I put it on the right direction? Hopefully. I can't really tell in the viewfinder. Let me look in my mirror. Oh good, I did. I like this. I like delicate jewelry, not like super like statement pieces, so I really like this a lot. And sorry if I was just shining this really dirty mirror in your face. But yay! So then we have one more set of jewelry. This is the cowrie shell earrings. says, hoop hoop hooray, cowrie shells for your flowy warm weather pieces on delicate hoops, so playful and fun you will want to wear them every day. So they're in a little bag. Do I have earrings on? Yeah, I do. Oh, cool. These remind me of like, well, I guess she says they're cowrie shell. I don't know why, like, I just thought like puka shell when I saw this. And please excuse my nails. So like little gold hoops, and then they have this like gold shell on it. Okay, now I think you can see it. And again, my nails are gross, I apologize. So these definitely are unique. I don't have anything like this in my collection, and I was saying this in a recent video, like even right now what I'm wearing, I'm liking like the little hoops with dangles on them right now, and this fits that, so cool. But we still have one more item left. It looks like this is our bonus item. So it's a lifestyle item. I feel like we got more than 3 pieces of jewelry because this bracelet set, I love it. Oh, it looks like this is like a roller ball, the You Sparkle, You Shine. How cute is the labeling? It matches their packaging. Is that focusing? There it goes. So this is in the beach fragrance. You get 10 milliliters in here. It's made with grapeseed oil and fragrance. So yeah, beach perfume oil by Wicked Good. Oh, I've gotten something from this company before in different subscription boxes. It says this month I collaborated with the perfume subscription Wicked Good Perfume. The fragrance I chose was beach naturally. It's handmade and all natural. Oh my god, it does remind me of the beach. I don't think I put any perfume on yet today, so. It smells so good. It reminds me of the beach. Exactly, like it doesn't smell like sunscreen, but like that whole like everything else that goes along with it, it does smell like, I'm the worst at describing it, but I think they did a great job. This seriously smells like the beach. I love it. You guys, I really like this box. By far my favorite are the bracelets. Like I feel like I will wear these together all the time, and she seriously was right, like Shana, the creator of this, in her little note here when she said that she like took the hard work out of stacking and did it for us, because I would never have come up with this combination myself. And I really like it. I love the gold and turquoise combination. I think the necklace is super cute too. The earrings aren't like my all-time favorite, but I do think they are unique and cute, and they are my preferred style of earrings at the moment. And the little perfume spray smells awesome. So yeah, this is super fun to open. So I would love to hear your thoughts down below. Again, I will link their website if you're interested in subscribing. Please let me know your thoughts. And yeah, thanks for unboxing with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.